Python date and time module. Hello and welcome back to our channel Tanvi Kulkarni Academy. Today we have an exciting topic to cover, the Python date and time module. To get started, we need to import the datetime module. Now let's explore how to work with dates. We can obtain the current date using the datetime.date.today method. This returns the current date in the format year, month, day. Let's print the current date to see the output. Now we know how to retrieve the current date and time. But what if we want to manipulate dates or perform date arithmetic? We can create custom date objects using the datetime.date constructor. Here, we pass the year, month, and day inside the parentheses to specify a particular date. Now let's find the time difference between these two dates. We subtract date 1 from date 2 to get the time difference. Let's print the time difference. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments section down below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.